Question number 6 is, a person owns some pigeons and cows. The number of legs of these animals is 180 and the total number of eyes is 120. How many cows and pigeons does the person own? You will see that here the number of cows and pigeons are not given. We have to find out how many cows and pigeons are there. But total number of legs is given 180 and total number of eyes is given 120. You know that number of legs in each pigeon be 2 and number of legs in each cow be 4. So let the number of pigeons be X and the number of cows be Y. आप जानते हो कि मान लो 2 पिजन्स हैं या 3 पिजन्स हैं तो 3 पिजन्स में कितने लेग हो जाएंगे? 2 × 3 = 6. उसी तरह से यदि 4 काउज हैं 5 काउज हैं तो उनका लेग्स कितना हो जाएगा? 5 × 4 = 20. यानी हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ता है नंबर ऑफ लेग्स के साथ और नंबर ऑफ पिजन या नंबर ऑफ काउज के साथ. सो इन फर्स्ट केस the number of legs of pigeons and cows is equal to 180. This is total number of legs, total number of legs of pigeons and cows equal to 180. So according to question, since pigeons are X and we know that the number of legs in each pigeon be 2, so 2x, then number of cows is Y and we know that the number of legs in each cow be 4, that's why 4y equal to 180. Now in the second case, total number of eyes is given 120. You know that number of eyes in each pigeon be 2 and number of eyes in each cow be 2 also. So total number of eyes of pigeons and cows is equal to 120. According to question, 2x plus 2y is equal to 120. यहाँ जो पहला इक्वेशन आपका बना था इसमें हम 2 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो बचेगा x plus 2y is equal to 180. So x plus 2y equal to 180/2. x plus 2y equal to 90. This is equation first. In second case, total number of eyes of pigeons and cows equal to 120. 2x plus 2y is equal to 120. Taking 2 as a common, x plus y is equal to 120. x plus y equal to 120 upon 2, 60. So x plus y is equal to 60. This is equation second. Now observe the equation first and second. You will see that coefficient of x is equal and both have same sign. Since we have to eliminate these signs, that's why we have to subtract equation second from first. यदि हमको साइन चेंज नहीं करना होता तो हम सीधे ऐड करते, बट हमको इसमें से टू वेरिएबल्स में एक वेरिएबल को एलिमिनेट करना है, इसलिए हमको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फर्स्ट इक्वेशन सेकेंड फ्रॉम फर्स्ट. सब्ट्रैक्टिंग equation second from first. First equation is x plus 2y is equal to 90 and second equation is x plus y equal to 60. In subtraction, we change sign of lower numbers. It become minus x, it become minus y, it become minus 60. So plus x and minus x cancelled. 2y minus y equal to y is equal to 30. So number of y equal to 30. Putting the value of y equal to 30 in equation first. You are free to choose any one equation. I am taking equation first. Equation first is x plus 2y is equal to 90. At the place of y we put 30. X plus 2 into 30 is equal to 90. X plus 60 is equal to 90. X equal to 90 minus 60 is equal to 30. So we have x equal to 30 and y equal to 30. X is a number of pigeons and y is a number of cows. So number of pigeons is equal to 30 and number of cows is equal to 30. It will be solution of this question. Question number 7 is a bag has 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins. The total number of coins is 94 and their values is rupees 29.75. Find the number of 50 paisa and 25 paisa coins. एक बैग में कुछ 50 पैसे के सिक्के हैं, कुछ 25 पैसे के सिक्के हैं. टोटल सिक्कों की संख्या जो है 94 है और उनका वैल्यू जो है 29.75 रुपीज़ है. तो आपको बताना है कि कितने 25 पैसे कॉइन्स हैं और कितने 50 पैसे कॉइन्स हैं. सो लेट नंबर ऑफ 50 पैसा कॉइन्स be x and number of 25 paisa coins Vy. In first case total number of coins equal to 94. So according to question, x plus y is equal to 94. This is equation first. If the value of, so in second case, the value of both coins is equal to rupees 29.75. Value of x 50 पैसा coins equal to 50x पैसा. Value of y 25 पैसा coins is equal to 25y पैसा. Since the value of total value of 50 पैसा coins and 25 पैसा coins is equal to Rs 29.75. You will see that here the value is given in rupees, but we have the value of 50 paise coins or 25 paise coins in paisa. So at first we have to convert this into paisa. So is equal to 29.75 into 100 paisa. Why? Because 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. Converting this into paise, we have to multiply this amount by 100. We get 2975 paise. Now according to the question, $50x plus 25y is equal to 2975. Taking 25 as a common, now we get 25 to the 50 plus y is equal to 2975. 2x plus y is equal to 2975 upon 25, 119. So 2x plus y is equal to 119. This is equation second. Now you will see that this is equation second and this is equation first. Both equations have two variables. Out of two variables, coefficient of y is equal. So and sign is the same. That's why we have to subtract. Subtracting equation second from first. Equation first is x plus y is equal to 94 and second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 119. In case of subtraction, we change sign of lower numbers, minus, minus, minus. So it become minus x because this is a negative numbers and this is a positive number. So coefficient of x is a 1 and coefficient of minus 2x is a minus 2. So minus 2, absolute value of minus 2 is greater than absolute value of 1. So sign will be negative. Subtracting 1 from 2 we get 1. So minus x, y cancelled. Now similarly here absolute value of minus 119 is greater than absolute value of 94. Therefore sign will be negative, and subtracting 94 from 119 we get 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Then 11 minus 9 is equal to 2. So minus 25. So minus cancelled, x is equal to 25. Now on putting the value of x is equal to 25 in equation first. Equation first is x plus y is equal to 94. At the place of x we put 25. 25 plus y is equal to 94. So y equal to 94 minus 25 is equal to 14 minus 5 is equal to 9, and 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. So 69 and 25. X equal to 25. This is a number of 50 paise coins, and y is equal to 69. This is a number of 25 paise coins. So hence number of 50 paise coins is equal to 25, and the number of 25 paisa coins is equal to 69. It will be answer. In question number 8, the sum of two numbers is 25. The sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 4. Find the two numbers. टू नंबर्स हैं जिनका प्लस 25 है और उनके रेसिप्रोकल का प्लस 1/4 है, तो नंबर हमको बतानी है. तो लेट द टू नंबर्स be x and y. In first case the sum of two numbers is equal to 25. So according to question, x plus y is equal to 25. This is equation first. In second case, the sum of their reciprocal is 1/4. So according to question, reciprocal of x is equal to 1 upon x and reciprocal of y is equal to 1 upon y is equal to 1 upon 4. Adding both xy, y plus x is equal to 1 upon 4. Y plus x is equal to xy. Now putting the value of x plus y on putting the value of x plus y from इक्वेशन फर्स्ट। इक्वेशन फर्स्ट से हम जो लेंगे, इक्वेशन फर्स्ट में हमारा था x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 25, तो यहाँ पर वो x प्लस वाई की जगह पे हम 25 रखेंगे। 4 इंटू 25 इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई, सो 100 इज इक्वल टू एक्स वाई। नाउ वी हैव द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स वाई इज इक्वल टू 100 एंड दिस इज इक्वेशन सेकेंड। वी नो दैट एक्स माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4xy। अभी तक आपने x माइनस वाई का होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab पढ़ा था। एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर माइनस 2xy। बट आप देखोगे कि इसमें एक्स स्क्वायर वाई स्क्वायर न करके एक्स प्लस वाई का होल स्क्वायर कर रहा है, दैट्स वाई यहाँ पर ये माइनस 4xy होगा। ये एक फार्मूला है, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है आपके लिए, खासकर इस चैप्टर के लिए। सो एक्स माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस वाई होल स्क्वायर माइनस 4xy। नाउ एक्स माइनस वाई होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, एट द प्लेस ऑफ एक्स प्लस वाई वी पुट 25 square, because the value of x plus y is 25 and the value of xy is 100. So in this we have to put minus 4 at the place of xy, we put 100. So x minus y whole square is equal to 625, because square of 25 is 625, and minus 400. So x minus y whole square is equal to 225. Now eliminating square, x माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट 225। जब इसका स्क्वायर हटाएंगे तो ये स्क्वायर रूट में चला जाएगा। सो एक्स माइनस वाई इज इक्वल टू 15, बिकॉज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 225 इज इक्वल टू 15। एंड नाउ दिस इज इक्वेशन थर्ड। नाउ एडिंग इक्वेशन थर्ड and first equation was x plus y is equal to 25 and third equation is x minus y is equal to 15. Now is this cancelled, 2x is equal to 40, so x equal to 40 upon 2 20, so x equal to 20. Now putting the value of x, on putting the value of x equal to 20 in equation first. Equation first is x plus y is equal to 25. At the place of x we write 20. 20 plus y is equal to 25. So y equal to 25 minus 20 is equal to 5. So x equal to 20 and y equal to 5. This is a solution of this question.